Right, so I'm on an extension today. So we're ditching a light up here and we've got the cable over here, but we're going to extend it to the new position because we've split these rooms up, and we need to extend this feed going into that room back to the new lighting feed that's going in at the light switch. So we're going to use this little beauty here. It's a Quickwire QSP32 16 amp. So basically what it is, it's a little connector. It's a fixed connector, so it doesn't require maintenance. And we've got the cables just slide in from here, push in, no earth sleeving. So we're going to trim the cables back. It's 20 to 25 mil. We take the outer sleeve off, and then we have the inner sleeve is about 12 to 15 mil. We strip the cable, and then we slide that on, and it comes these funky little clips. You put a screw onto the joist, and then they snap in, holds it up off the ceiling and out the way. So let's get on to it. So we've got two cables. This is our existing cable we're going to cut back, and this is our new feed that we've got going off down to our switch. So we're going to get these cut and prepared. Right, so as you can see, there's 3 holes in there, and the centre one is for our earth wire. So they are labelled. So we've got neutral at the top, or actually we go left to right. So we've got neutral, earth and live, and the cable's just going to slide into there, and this little bit here locks in to stop the cable coming out. And the opposite end is exactly the same, live, earth, neutral. So there's our cables, they're prepared. So now we're going to get prepared to slide them in. So the first set of cables are prepared, so we're going to slide those in now. So that's as they start to go in. Now we're just going to slide it in the final bit. So that's locked in really tightly, and we can't force that apart. So we're going to get the next end slid in. So there's that end slid in. So now we're just going to push it all the way in. So there's both ends slid in. Now that provides a maintenance-free joint. So now we're going to get our base and screw it up here. So there's our base screwed up. So now we're just going to get this clicked in. There we are. And there it is,